Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks again for watching Brenspeed TV. Today it's a 2010 GT manual tranny laying down over 500 real horsepower through the VORTECH H.0. It's the blackout package. I have Corinne with me today. Doug's off. We're going to go down and take a look at the engine compartment. We are going to watch a dyno pull. So hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us up to date on cool videos like this. I'm going to give you a lot more info. And as always, you can check the details to read a lot more about the parts I'm going to show you. Corinne, let's go check it out. All right, so this 2010, like I said, is running the VORTECH. It's the H.0 kit. So it's the V3 supercharger with the liquid-cooled intercooler. Corinne, come down here, take a look. I'm going to tell you everything we've done. We have the Detroit rocker camshafts. We have a set of long tube headers. And we have the V3 VORTECH. It's the intercooled. It's our Brenspeed turnkey kit. This also has a set of delete plates on it. But what is in our VORTECH Brenspeed package? You get, right now we have 47-pound fuel injectors, a Kidney Belt boost pump, Kohler spark plugs, and the proper calibration. So the cool thing is you can buy this kit that you're looking at right now. It can get shipped to you, or we can install it here at Brenspeed. And hey, what's it cost to get installed? You simply email quote@brenspeed.com. But that's it right there. That's the VORTECH. It's the H.0. All right, so it's not non-intercooled. This is intercooled, and the VORTECH uses the liquid-cooled setup, which is really neat. Check out this dyno pull. All right, check out these dyno numbers, and hey, when you look at these, maybe you're new to this channel, maybe you don't know a lot about 3-valve Mustangs. As always, I will put a link at the end to this video so you can read, hey, how much is too much horsepower and torque on my 3-valve Mustang. But Corinne, come over here. This is awesome. So check this out. Stock engine, 521 real horsepower, peaking at 6,400 RPMs. That's on our DynoJet rated SAE. Torque came in at 449, basically 450, peaking at 5,400. This car is going to be so fun on the street, and it's simply our VORTECH H.0 supercharger package, Detroit rocker cams, and a set of long tube headers. This is a sweet setup. So I'm Brent from Brenspeed. You might have questions about this. You can leave a comment. Someone will be happy to answer. And again, subscribe and notify. Email quote@brenspeed.com. Say, hey, what's it cost to get my Mustang built? But another cool 3-valve finish today. Thanks for watching.